Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And friends, here is the two RC circuit. You can see here one circuit is this and one circuit is this. So we will see the behavior of these two RC circuit. And you can see in another circuit I change the position R and C. So I think as you know this is the simple RC circuit, and when the power will on, the capacitor will charge. When the power will on, so what will be the current and voltage condition here? So when switch on, power supply switch on, here will be maximum current at first because capacitor is empty and it will charge when the switch on. So you can see here in the graph at time t equal to 0, at this time when switch will on, so current is maximum but voltage is 0 at this point. So current will maximum and voltage at the t equal to 1 will be very minimum. You can consider it, you cannot consider it 0 because circuit is on. So voltage just start increasing something here. You can see here voltage level is here when the switch on. Okay, and after sometimes you can see here the current is decreasing and voltage is increasing. This graph is showing the current is getting down and voltage is increasing of capacitor here. This is the property of capacitor charging. When capacitor charge, current decrease and voltage increase across the capacitor. Okay, so at one time when the capacitor will full charge, so its voltage, here voltage will be equal to 5 volt, and current across this will be 0 at the last stage when the capacitor full charge here. Current will be 0 and voltage will be maximum as per the power supply. Now we talk about another circuit. What will happen in this? We given the same power supply here but position we change and we are taking the output here. This is output. So here is the condition is something reverse. So when the power supply will switch on, this capacitor will charge as per here. Okay, so maximum current will flow from here to here and maximum voltage will drop across this resistance. So here will be output will be maximum at the initial time. Here will be maximum voltage. You can consider here 5 volt. Okay, but at the initial time, what was the voltage here? 0 volt. Yeah, you can consider voltage is started increasing at the this moment, but at this moment the voltage will be here 5 volt because we are taking the voltage here across the resistance. So when the current will be maximum, the voltage across the resistance will be maximum because V equal to R into I. If it is a maximum and resistance value is fixed, so voltage will be maximum. Okay, V will be maximum. Then after some times when the capacitor will charge, so current will be 0. So here current will be also decrease like this and voltage will be decreased like this here. Okay, I can't show you here because here is the maximum like this graph, but I show you with the time the voltage will decrease and current will also decrease here. Okay, current will decrease here and voltage decrease here. At one moment the current and voltage will be zero. Okay, at this moment current and voltage will be zero. So here after some times there will be no current because capacitor is fully charged, and when the capacitor is fully charged, so there will be no current across the capacitor. So after some times when the capacitor will charge, so output voltage here will be 0 volt because there is no current across the capacitor, oh sorry, resistance. And when the no current across the resistance, so there is a no voltage. So after some times here will be ground point when the capacitor will fully charged. So you can see here the condition of this circuit and this circuit. Yeah, you can say the behavior of this circuit and this circuit is different. So I hope you got this circuit. This is very confusion circuit, and this generally confuse capacitor and resistance combination generally confuse in the circuit. So I hope you got something from this video, and if you got little bit knowledge from my video, so please like and subscribe my video and press the bell icon for the next coming video. Thank you.